The CAMPLUX Nano 3 Pro heater is an exceptional portable water heater providing instant hot water for a variety of outdoor activities such as cleaning, dishwashing, and showering. Weighing just 13.7 pounds, this compact heater is designed for ultimate portability, making it perfect for camping, fishing, hiking, and hunting without sacrificing power or efficiency. Equipped with a built-in 4,000 milliampere-hour battery, this innovative device can operate smoothly for 1.5 hours on a full charge and supports simultaneous charging and discharging. The CAMPLUX Nano 3 Pro offers flexible charging options, including a lithium-ion battery, portable power stations, a 110-volt AC outlet, and a 12-volt car cigarette lighter. The comprehensive package includes a battery-powered camping water heater, a 12-volt submersion water pump, a 12-volt DC cigarette lighter, a gas regulator, a shower bracket, a shower head, and a silicone water pipe. Prioritizing safety, the heater features an automatic shutoff at 122 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent overheating, as well as mechanisms to shut off the flame and water in case of excessive tilt or inactivity.